Hi, welcome to Get Your Tech Tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, today, have you noticed that whenever you sign in with your Google accounts, it automatically sign in yourself in Google Chrome? Hmm? I think you may have seen it, but uh, in this clip, I have signed in, but mm, it I am not automatically signed in Google Chrome. You can see I have been signed out. So how to do this? So to disable auto login, first you have to click on the three dots, then settings. uh, you will see your email ID. Click on the drop down menu, then click on sign out. Then come to settings, click on sync and Google services, then you can see allow Chrome sign in. Click disable it, then you will see the relaunch option. Click on it, and it will restart your browser, and the auto login option, which was mm, on by default, will get deactivated, but we have to test it whether it worked or not. So I have to sign in to see whether it worked or not. Hold on. Sorry, the full screen is blurred because I am not good with blurring and all that. Just 2 or 3 seconds more, and we'll see the option what actually happened, whether it disables the auto Chrome auto sign in option or not. I actually forgot the password. Look like. Okay, so I successfully signed in, and you can see now I am not logged in Google Chrome because I signed out and relaunched it.